Hello everyone, and welcome to GES Quick News Broadcast, where we bring you the best and latest information you can get anywhere. Today, we are going to brief you about the official release from the three teacher unions concerning the outcome of their recent negotiations with the government over conditions of service, collective bargaining agreements, laptops, and other allowances, including the deprived area allowance. Recently, there was a leaked document about the outcome of these negotiations, and while the teacher union leaders were initially silent, they have now come forward with their official position on the issues at hand. But before we dive into the details, we urge you to kindly subscribe to our channel so that you can stay updated with the latest developments. Let's go into the official response by the three teacher unions. To make it clearer, I'll read the key points from the letter and provide some commentary on what we can expect moving forward. This letter, dated the 26th of June 2024, is titled, Directive or Ruling by the National Labour Commission, NLC. Following the NLC's directives on Tuesday the 26th of March 2024, after a declaration of a nationwide indefinite strike action on the 20th of March 2024 by the three teacher unions, the NLC met with the disputing parties. These included the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of Employment and Labour Relations and Pensions, Fair Wages and Salaries Commission, Ghana Education Service, and the teacher unions. First, on the issue of laptops. As of Wednesday the 26th of June 2024, not all teachers have received their laptops. This situation is creating unrest and could disturb the peace if the Minister of Education does not fulfill the promise of delivering laptops to every teacher by the end of June 2024. Second, regarding financial items. The parties are still negotiating on some financial issues, especially the deprived area allowances. Although progress has been made, some outstanding issues remain to be completed. Third, the unions have complied with the directive to call off the strike action and report back accordingly. Fourth, on the issue of the embargo placed by the Office of the Special Prosecutor on the salaries of some teachers, this issue has not been fully resolved. It's crucial for this to be addressed promptly to prevent further agitation among teachers. Fifth, regarding the scheme of service, the GES has delivered the relevant documents to the teacher unions, and the unions will send their feedback to the employer by the 15th of July 2024. The question remains, when exactly were these documents delivered to the unions? Finally, the unions wish to report that these are the outcomes of their engagements and bring these to the attention of the Commission for necessary action on the outstanding issues in the interest of peace and harmony on the labour front. This letter is signed by Thomas Musa, General Secretary of NAT, Eric Agbe Carbonu, President of NAGRAT, and King Ali Awudu, President of CCTGH. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates on negotiations, job vacancies, and other important GES news. Stay informed and stay ahead. Until next time, bye-bye.